channel. I know it's been a while, but I am sorry. I've been busy. I have been doing a lot of things within these past months because I haven't uploaded a video since, I think, July maybe. Well, anyway, a lot has happened within that time frame. I've moved. That's why you're here, because you want to see my apartment. And I was going to wait on doing this video, but I have friends who were pushing me to do the video, so that's why I'm posting this video or whatever. So I know y'all don't want to hear me ramble and talk too much, but you know, Bonnet's life on Sunday. I look down, so don't judge me because I'm home. Free me. But yes, I'm going to get right into this video. I'm going to tell y'all where I got things from. I'm going to show y'all around the whole house, etc., etc. And if I miss anything that y'all might want to know, comment below and ask me or tell me. Give me any ideas and tips on what I can do to spruce up the place, because I'm really just waiting to see what I want to do to make this house pop. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, walking in, this is the setup that you see. My son mad at me right now, but he'll be okay. Okay, so we're gonna start this way. These are the windows, which pretty self-explanatory. Hi y'all. The mirrors I got at Walmart. I actually bought them for my mom, and when I moved, she ended up giving them back to me. The picture actually came from my mom. The vases I got at a store out here. It's actually a Mexican store that I got these from. The vases as well. It was like $2.99 for the vases and $1.49 for the flowers. Anyway, easy stuff. And this fireplace that I got was actually from Big Lots, which my mom picked this out as well. This was about $3.99 or $4.99, I don't remember. Which I had to put this together by myself. Call me handy lady, because yeah, I put this whole thing together by myself. Which my son loves it because he won't stay out of it. And that's actually a real heater, and it's actually on, which I need to turn it off. Yes. The TV was actually on sale at Walmart for $2.18. It is a 50-inch. The rug came from Big Lots. It was actually $120. The couch my mom found online, which was $2.50, but it wasn't any other pieces, so I'm going to add my own little colors to it. Oh yeah, and down there is my little router for the internet. Over here is going to be my dining area, which I'm going to DIY this table. It's going to be black with marble toppings, which I don't know how that's going to turn out, but if it's ugly, I'll just throw it away and get a new one. My son's towel chair. This is actually the staircase to this apartment, which I don't too much care for, but hey, it is what it is. It's in here. I can't take it out. My bar area, which these little things right here came from Goodwill. The candle holders, they're actually sitting up here because I don't have my end tables yet. Once I get them, I will put those up there. These vases came from Dollar Tree with the little fillings inside. This candle actually came from the 99-cent store, and it smells really good. It wasn't $3.99. I mean, it wasn't a 99-cent. That was actually $3.99. Same with this little setup here. There's a mirror when you walk in. And then these little things I've been having. Along with those mirrors, they came with the apartment. The lovely place of it all, the kitchen. Okay, so these are, I think, sealed on countertops. I don't think they were made like that. My dinner that I'm going to be cooking later on tonight. My waffle maker, my crock pot, my cup, drying mat. And yo, check out this sink. The sink is pretty freaking cool. It actually comes apart. Yeah. That's one of the things I like about this kitchen, besides the backsplash. And I got a little window I can look outside. The microwave, I actually got this bin right here from Goodwill along with the balls on the inside. I didn't have anywhere else to put it, so I set it there. Bananas, paper towel holders, which I got some dishes up in the top cabinet. And this right here actually came from Walmart. So what I'll be doing the tables with is actually marble surface, if it'll focus. Whatever. But yeah, this is what I'll be doing the tables with. And up here I also have a lighter that I light my candle with. Here's the pantry with all the goods in it, which I also have my broom and dustpan down there, which I don't think that's very sanitary, so I will be finding a new place for that. The door handle I got from Dollar Tree to keep my son bad butt out of the bathroom. This bathroom is actually going to be yellow, black, and white, as well as like the living room. I have this little picture that sits right here that says enjoy soaking on wine, which there isn't a tub in here. And then I also have like the little sink area where people wash their hands and whoop, whoop, whoop. Which I don't like the bathroom actually being right here, but the simple fact is you have to say hi. I don't like the bathroom being right there because it's like right by the kitchen, which I don't think that's sanitary, but hey, who am I? Now we're gonna go up the stairs, which like I said, I hate these stairs. There's 2 bedrooms here and a bathroom. I always turn on the vents. This is the bathroom. I have a little marble countertop like the one downstairs, which I have this little, you can see, little vase candle holder, which don't really go with the bathroom scheme, but I thought it was pretty. Soap holders, which came from Ross. Toothpaste holder came from Ross. I DIY'd them myself. The rugs came from, I forgot. I want to say Ross too. Shower curtains came from Ross. These little wall things actually came from Dirt Cheap. The things on the inside came from Dollar Tree. Moving on to the hallway closet. Up there I have blankets, sheets, the iron. This row I have towels, face towels, body towels, big towels. Which, that is not all the towels I have. They're actually in my laundry that I just done. Cotton balls, facial products, hair products, and all that good stuff. Wig caps. Yeah. Down here is just extra crap, extra storage, which we never going there. This is my son's room, which I have not put his bed together. Probably not gonna put this bed together because, yeah, I think he's a little too big for it. I said I was gonna put it together, but I changed my mind because that's a lot of work. But here's his closet with his clothes, which needs more organization because he has clothes in my room as well. His dirty clothes hamper, which he has his books in there, and then his bike. This is actually the bigger room. I just gave it to him because my room has the bigger closet. Over here is just another storage closet, which I store my backdrop, flowers, extra bedding bags, a lot of extra stuff, and my air mattress, vanity lamps, books, stuff that I don't care about. Now, this is my room. Over here in this corner, I bought this K at the Goodwill for $3 and I think 49 cents. That picture came from the Dollar Tree, which was $5. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. I just got it because I thought it was cute, which is my diploma, and some pink balls. I think I'm going to buy a vase for. A 2 Walmart bins, which I'm going to put more down there. My son's diapers, because I hate going to his room to get them. So that's why they're there. Big blanket so that I don't have to mess up the sheets on my bed. That little table actually came from Five and Below, and I just put on it some pictures of me and my friends from home. The flowers came from the same place the ones downstairs came from. They were $1.49. The vase, I don't recall where I got it from. If I do remember by the end of this video, I'll place it in the description down low. The lamp came from Target, which I got in Arkansas. The bedding came from Big Lots, along with the pillows that came from Five Below. My laptop, my charger ports, and this is my favorite room of them all, my closet. Okay, when you first walk in, which I need to put my hair products up, I need to put my son backpack up, but this is where all my makeup is. I have clothes on this side, and that is my wig drawer, dirty clothes hamper. Up here I have my bag full of like my makeup bags and waist trainers and stuff. Those are glitters, lipsticks, and more glitters. My everyday bag, just random purses. Clothes that I wear to work on a daily. Leggings, skirts, and shorts are on the bottom. Dresses and rompers, sweaters and coats, and more clothes are down there. My favorite place are my shoes, which I have to get rid of some, which will be that row right there of bullcrap. And down there are my boots and my famous ring lights. And on this side, I just have a little vanity light with my jewelry hanging on a hanger for right now. And that's a little ghetto, but oh well, don't judge me. You in my business. Don't do that. But yeah. Overall, I'm going to buy some maybe black and white curtains for my room and bring out the middle out with a pop of color. But yes, overall, you guys, this is my home. Well, guys, that wraps up this video. And once everything is done and I am fully furnished, I will give y'all a more up-to-date video on what it looks like. This is my view coming down the stairs. And yes, I think I'm gonna probably finish it off with some end tables and 2 accent chairs. And that's gonna be it for this video. So let me show you where the door is. Same way you came in, get your asses out.